Hello, welcome to our channel. Here's Mr. Sky. Today we will be showing how to work a kind of cleaning solution for working with the DTF or DTG printers. This is packing. Okay. The special working with the DTF. Here in packing we have a QR code. So we can scan the QR code to watching the video how to use with this unit. Okay, so we just open to this photo. Check what inside the parking. Okay, so we can get a package of this open and a bottle of cleaning solution and storage, and this is a menu, instruction menu, and
soft tube.
soft and also this tour, also this cleaning tour. Okay, so even we know the mostly this DTF working with type of white colors, that ask the user will be more better maintenance for a print head. Even you doing a long time printing and there's risk of print more than 1 week, it will be easy to get the problem with the quality print with the print head. Okay, that's why we need to use a type of this one, the light blue type of stronger cleaning solution for use the DTF ink. Okay, so are mostly working with the Epson head modifier printers for DTF and the DTG printers. This bottle is 110 ml cavity inside. So the following we will show how to work with this kit with our print head. Okay, so normally we can turn in this cover and use this tool. Is this tool? Okay, that will help us to. Okay, very easy. Okay, and open this package. This
Wearing these gloves.
that will help us to ink one side our hands. Okay, so this one, the syringes, and okay. So firstly, this tool is easy to connect, and we are fill the cleaner. That we can easy with this type. We can easy to. This is lower dimple. It's similar as same as the Epson. Okay. We can easy to cleaning the ink inside. Just keep touch and into the hole. Then we can try cleaning this dimple. Okay. And the second, normally the white ink we can see the mostly Epson printers working with type of impulse, so we can also easily to fill in. We can easy to connect and fill the cleaner into this damper, doing the cleaning each time around 3 or 4 ml this cleaning solution inside. Okay, even we fill this cleaning solution keep into this damper around 15 minutes, and then later we can cleaning and suck out all the cleaner from the dampers. Okay, this that we working with this type of cleaner to working with mostly in damper. Okay, and sometimes we also can be cleaning this ink table, just easy to connect with this shop. Then we also can clean it. Okay, we also can be cleaning this ink table by this type of syringes. Just try cleaning the ink table, easy to connect. Okay. And feed the cleaner into the table. Okay, very easily to help us to cleaning our ink system. Okay. And then we also can be working with mostly this soft ink table. Okay. We can easy to connect and soak
more
times around
cleaner
5
around
ml.
5 ml. Sometimes that we meet the clanger with our print head, so we will need to take the print head out. So this is a Epson print head, only working with 6 colors of our inkjet printer, so also easy to
Cleaning solution to cleaning the print head. Normally the head working with the type of white colors, so usually we need to clean the ink and the print head 1 month to do 1 time this stronger cleaning that we can keep the quality print. Okay, so we just even to connect. Okay, easy to connect, and we can just slowly to pump this solution into the print head, each time around 2 ml. So very slowly to put into this ink head. Keep it into the print head around 15 to 20 minutes around, do not more than half hours. Okay, because this type of cleaner is more stronger than normal cleaning solution. Okay, after each color fell into the print head, but normally we use these 2 light colors for working with our printer. Okay, some new of software can be like the pattern rip 10.3 can be easy to set the color for each channel of ink. So or mostly we meet the problem with the white colors, so we only need to often maintain the print head for white colors. It's color around 2 very slowly to okay. Then after about 15 minutes, we soak and fill cleaner into the print head again. Then clean it out. That we check the print head. After we can get in store into the print holder, that we can get a quality print and do a loader check print. So we can do in a DTF printing. Okay. So even you even you made the problem with your DTF printers, maybe you can try and follow our video to clean your print head. Okay, thanks for your watching.